So you know that you're important when you get invited to the same events as Twang and Bang. So, you know, what are we doing, guys? What are we here to do?
I'm going to shoot the ARAK 31. It's their new 308 platform, and it's going to be the same swap barrel system as a 21. So I'm pushing them to come out with a 6.5 Creedmoor barrel right away. I think that's going to happen, and I think they're going to do 7mm 08 for the hunters, and from there they're going to just grow caliber choices based on demand. I know 308 is going to be awesome. I can't wait to get in there and shoot it.
Well, let's go do it right now.
All right.
Hey guys, I'm Nathan from Faxon. What I've got here is basically a race gun version of the ARAK. I've got a hyper-fire trigger on it, but most importantly, ambidextrous injection window. All you gotta do is rotate your bolt 180 degrees.
3 rounds.
I'll meet you out.
All right, guys. I gotta swipe my mag.
Shoot it! Shoot it! That's how we roll around here. Here's bullets, go! Get out of here! Come on, come on! Bullets! Much better. Yeah. See, but you're still not fast enough.
Oh, I'm not fast enough?
Come on, let me show you how this is done. Alright, alright, let's go.
Oh! Damn! Boy, he's got the trigger reset.
Alright, you're... Nathan. We've changed ammunition so many times. Not sure what gas setting we're supposed to be on. Sweet.
Trying out the ARAK 21 XRS, January 7.62 by 39.
Yeah.
With a can.
With a battle dog suppressor.
Battle dog suppressor?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
That's hard.
What'd you think, bro?
It was good.
Yeah? You like that?
I did. Like
all right.
For Christmas.
Alright guys, let's go shoot the ARAK 30.
Yeah, that's one that got dinged up.
Do your worst, sir.
Still got a few games left on that firearm. We're very happy with it. It went from concept to that.
That's insane. Okay. Long term.
Did they finally have it done? Because they were talking about it.
They're great. They will not leave it on the market.
So we're here at the ARAK 31 event to check out that awesome creation that they brought to the market. And now, to close around, we got our own friend back here, sent back to Faxon. They were kind enough to bring it to the event for us so that we could get one more taste in it before they actually send it to the engineering room and figure out what's all broken in it. So, let's see if she still runs.
Probably off the gas. Yeah.
She still runs all right. That was awesome. Thank you, sir. All right, guys. Let's go shoot the ARAK. Hey, me now.
How that really is.
You good?
Oh, so it can follow the...
So you got the follower straight.
Yeah.
And then on top of the follower it rocks.
Okay.
Go empty.
How you like shooting indoors?
Yeah, we don't do a whole lot of indoor shooting.
Will we break?
Nah. It's
Just tight.
just getting gummed up.
Is it?
Yeah. A lot of powder to burn.
Same thing.
Again.
Did it again. You know what it is? I'm not letting off the trigger far enough. I'm not used to that trigger.
Okay.
That's my fault.
Well, you gotta go get off your leg.
Retains a lot. Takes up a lot of the recoil.
Talking about that one?
That is so awesome. Is it, how's the, are you guys messing with the gas system on this?